Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you get once you've reached DG level 60. Yes, 60. I'm on level 60 now. But let's see. Open developer's guide here. And in Heartopia, you will get the premium hobby upgrade ticket. You only get one though. And then you get a recipe. It is the Farmhouse Lawnmower. This is what it looks like. And you also get 20 wishing stars. So let's upgrade. Again, you'll need 40,000 coins to upgrade. And I'm finally able to upgrade a hobby. I don't know which hobby I should upgrade yet. We'll see like on Monday maybe. But it's either going to be cooking or I'm hopeful there's going to be a rainbow sooner. If not, then I will just do the cooking one. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!